Palnar synthesis is used for cyclization of which compound?
1,4-diketone.
1,4 diketones. So what type of reagents are required for the Palnar synthesis?
Oxidation agents.
Palnar synthesis le oxidation ஏன் போடுறோம்?
Ketone.
அதுல என்ன நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிருந்தோம் இல்ல
Ketones.
H2O with என்ன போட்டோம்?
C2O5.
H plus போட்டோம் இல்லையா?
Acid.
Acidic reagent.
H plus அப்ப என்ன reagents?
Acidic reagents.
Acidic reagents. So which reaction involves the air oxidation of perforated